Welcome to our tutorial about saving data to a file. We're going to pick up where we left off in our previous tutorial and write some code that allows us to save the contents of a text box to a text file. Let's begin by inserting one more button into our form. Let's name it btn save. And we'll caption it appropriately in the text property as well. We'll caption it Save to File. Double-click. Now let's type some code. File open. 1, comma. Now let's type the path c:\test3.txt. Comma, open mode, period, output, and hard return. Now let's type print line, open parenthesis, 1, comma, txt box, period, text. And next line, file close, open parenthesis, 1, close parenthesis. Let's fix this error here in syntax. As you see, the code is very similar to that of our previous tutorial. First, the file open function will create the file test3.txt if this file doesn't exist. Next, we'll use the output mode instead of the input mode. And in the next line, the print line function will save the contents of txt box to the open file. The last line closes the file. Let's adjust our view so we can see both blocks of code. Now let's run our program. I see the first line, the second line, the third line, the fourth line. The program places the text into the text box. Now I click Save to File, and let's open the file to verify if the contents are actually there. Success! We have the combined data from files test1 and test2. And this concludes our tutorial on how to save to a file.